Father God, we thank you that you came to give people rights. Imagine just after taking the Israelites out of slavery, one of your first commandments after the main 10 is about slavery, making sure they treat each other different, don't treat people like how the Egyptians were treating others. Father God, giving people rights and freedom. We know some people try to argue and say, oh, God made slavery and he's condoning slavery, but we know slavery was already happening, and you instead were trying to abolish it and make them instead be like apprentices and working, and they'll be free by 7 years and things like that, and making sure everyone could have freedom after a while and be treated well, Father God. And the time when people weren't thinking about women, you made sure women were treated well. If they were given as a slave for marriage or whatever reason, you made sure they were treated well, Father God, and could only be given back to their family and many things, Father God. Thank you for your word and your civil rights and the things that you come to put things into play, that even you made it clear that they'll be treated so well that if a slave didn't want to be free, that they could be marked, that they could be a slave forever, because the master would have treated them so well that gave them a wife, gave them everything they need, gave them, and they got children, so they wouldn't want to leave their master, Father God. Thank you that this shows us why Paul was also saying he's happy to be called a servant, a bondservant to you, Father God, that you treat them so well that we're okay to be called your slave, because we're not slavery like in these bad ways, but slavery is in our master treats us well. We're glad to be called a slave. It's a privilege to be a slave, Father God. May our hearts change and understand the servitude of you, Father.